In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer ticket in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. First off, you'll want to log into your Zendesk dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the top navigation bar or the sidebar on your screen. You're going to look for the big, friendly plus sign that says Add. Go ahead and click the plus Add button, then select Ticket from the menu that appears. This will get us started by opening up a new ticket form. Next, let's focus on the requester. In the requester field, you'll want to identify who the ticket is for. This means typing in the name or email address of an existing customer from your database. If the person contacting you is a new customer who hasn't reached out before, simply type in their email address, and Zendesk will create a new user profile for them. It's as easy as that. Now, let's move on to the subject line. This is your chance to give a concise yet informative headline that summarizes the issue the customer is facing. For example, you could write something like, "Login error on website," or "Issue with recent order." This subject line is important as it will help your team quickly understand the nature of the complaint when they view the ticket. Once you've filled that out, it's time to dive into the description. Here, you'll want to elaborate on the issue at hand under the public reply section. Be as detailed as possible so that whoever handles the ticket has all the information they need to assist the customer effectively. And if necessary, you can drag and drop any relevant attachments, like screenshots, documents, or even logs, right into the ticket. This can be super helpful for clarifying the situation. Next, we need to assign ticket properties. This helps categorize the ticket correctly. Look for the options in the ticket panel where you can set configurations. Start with the priority. Is this a low, medium, high, or urgent issue? Then classify the type of ticket as a question, incident, problem, or task. Lastly, you'll want to assign the ticket to someone on your team. This can either be a specific agent or a group that is best suited to address the customer's needs. Now we're almost at the finish line, but there's one final step to take before you can call it done. Go to the bottom right corner of the ticket form, where you'll see options for the ticket's initial state. You can choose to submit it as new, open, or pending. Once you've made your selection, click the button to save your ticket and route it accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully created a customer ticket in Zendesk. Your ticket is now in the system, ready for your team to follow up. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below.